Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a video to show you how to use the 3D slice command. So this is quite a useful command when you want to, let's say, reduce a part of your model. So I'm just going to explain this with the simple square that I've extruded just to show you how it works. So your slice command is located on your solid editing tab. So you click your slice command, you click the object that you want to slice or separate, then you click a line that you want to cut, and I want to cut off this face. So as you see, I've clicked on the command and I said where I want this slice to go through, and this is going to be on everything you look down upon. So if you go into top view and you click there, so the slice command, if you want to slice this in a 45-degree angle, it's going to work, but it's going to slice down instead of sideways. So I've sliced off this piece and I want to delete it, so I just hit delete and there is no problems. So let's say I want to just cut a piece of this side. Let's say this is a wall and I want to cut a piece of this, but I want to leave this side the same. So if you go into your slice command, click on slice, you click your object, and let's say I want to cut it there in the middle of the wall. So I click and I right click to exit, and as you can see, these two are connected with each other because they were cut from the same piece of wall or the same piece of square that we started with. So if you click on one side, it's going to select the other one as well. So you're going to have to use the separate command, So you click on that, select your objects, right click, and it separated the two objects. So now I can delete this one, but now this is still in two pieces. So next what you want to do is you want to go to the solid union command. So you click on your object, or you click on the command, then you click your first object, your second object, right click, and as you can see, it's one object again. So I hope this helped you. I hope you learned something new, and see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.